ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్గా చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
ఓకే, here is the next important topic for you, that is the sex determination in human beings. Can you write the topic name? Sex determination in human beings. See, this is the repeated question asking from many years. If any question is there important from this chapter, is it can be the top position question. Okay, this topic can ask for the 4 mark, and in between we'll be having some 1 mark, 2 mark questions also, like who will determine the sex. Okay, father, mother or son, daughter, they'll give some set of options for you. You need to choose it. Okay, next, so sex determination in human beings, like how do we determine our sex? There is some flowchart for you in your textbooks also, you can just refer it. Here what we write in this or what we draw in this sex determination is the flow chart, like represent the chromosomal number and how the gametes are produced, like diploid to haploid, like that. So you can draw along with me. And by the way, how many number of chromosomes will be in one individual? Can you tell it? What is the number of the chromosome? Maybe man, maybe any woman. What is the number? Okay, so the chromosomal number of any organism, like any in the sense human here. Okay, any means whether male or female. Okay, okay, I mean any means male or female. There will be how many number? Can you tell it? 46 is the number of the human being chromosomal number. Okay, for exactly means each one, like number of like that 46, and these chromosomes will be in a set of pair. 46 in the means here they will be in the form of diploid condition, like 2 into x. These chromosomes, they will always be in the pairs. So 46 individuals are there, means how many pairs? How many pairs, Nana? So 23 pairs. This is common. What I am saying is common. No, common means both for the male, even for the female also. That's a common, whether they are the male, whether they are the female. Okay, na boy aina, girl aina, every aina kani, any means any sex, 46, they are made up of, their human body is made up of the 46 chromosome. Individual number is 46, pairs are 46 means by 2. How many? 23 pairs like that. Okay, like this they be. This is one chromosome, okay, this is one pair. Like that, how many we need to draw? 23 pairs. You can draw even another pair also. Like this. This is called the karyotype. Okay, representing in chromosomes. This is also another pair, one pair. Like that, we will be having 23 pairs. 23 pairs means 46 chromosomes. Okay. In this 23 pairs also, there are two types of chromosomes. What are the two types? Autosomes and the other one is allosomes. I mean, this 23 pairs are there, right? They are also divided. Okay, that pair also divided here. Autosomes and allosomes. Okay. Then what is the number? Autosomes are here. How many? 22 pairs. Out of this 23 pairs, 22 pairs are the autosomes, okay, and allosomes only one pair. So 22 plus 1, how many? 23 pairs. So you can also represent like this even with individual. Individual means 22 pairs. How much? Like 44 individual. Individual chromosomes are, if there are 23 pairs, if you just double it, 44 individual chromosomes, and here 2 individual chromosomes. So we have equal here 46 we have proved 44 plus 2. So total 46 chromosomes. And what are autosomes means? Autosomes are the somatic chromosomes. Somatic in the sense they help in the body growth, like differentiation, metabolism, means which doesn't involve in the reproduction, are the autosomes. Like somatic, vegetative you know that, except reproductive one, which all comes are the autosomes. What is there in your textbook? The definition is which doesn't differ in male or the female, the chromosomal or shape or structure which are same morphology. If you find same morphology or number, same morphology or even number, no differentiation simply in male or female. So that is considered as the autosomes here, with no differentiation. Like 46 individuals are there, right? Both, even for the male 44, even for the female also 44, and there will be no structural differentiation. Morphology is same, no differentiation. So that is the autosomal chromosomes, or simply we can write it as somatic also. I told you, right? Somatic also you can write it. Somatic means vegetative, except reproduction, the remaining whole body, okay na, it is the somatic one. Once again I am repeating, 46 are the individuals and untai, andulo mana pairs gati, they will be always in pairs. Why? Because 2x means diploid. This condition is called the diploid condition ma. We are 2x, we are diploid in number. Why? That's why we call it diploid human being. Diploid human being in the sense what? 2x condition. 2x condition is considered as the diploid condition. All human beings we are the diploid. What you produce the gametes, sperm, egg, those are the haploid. 23 pairs, out of this 3 pairs, 2 pairs are the autosomes vegetative or the somatic one, it is same for the male as well as the female.
Hello students, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K. Venkanna classes, I teaches chemistry. So, right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation. But let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach? A cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So, in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITian and doctor. So, if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join us. What are you waiting for? Thank you.
Next, coming to the allosomes. Can you guess this? Yeah, what are allosomes means? Nothing but in simple sentence or simple word, sex chromosomes. There is only one pair. One pair means 2 chromosomes. Whether there it was female, 2 chromosomes, XX. If it is male, it is XY. XX means like this. This is X. Same, no change in morphology, number, XX. This is one X, this is another X. Then while coming to this is female. XX means obviously it is a female. Then male, this is the X, this is Y. Y will be somewhat Y shape, a small one compared to the X chromosome. It will be somewhat smaller, this is the Y. So, in female allosomes, what are the allosomes here? XX is their chromosomes. So, in female XX, in male XY. Then here your 2-mark question. What is the 2-mark question can be asked from this topic, ma? Who will determine the sex? Question here, who will determine the sex? Who will determine? The male one will determine here. Father, because here Y chromosome will determine the sex of any individual, like a baby boy puttalana, baby girl puttalana gani. If both X are there, it's a female. If only one X, only Y means it is the male. So let's draw the flow chart of this. You can well understand this. Okay, first I won't draw the main diagram for you, I give the rough diagram, okay, to denote the sex first. This is a rough diagram. XX means what it is? Mother. I am drawing only the sex chromosome. Mother X, father X, Y. Am I correct? Definitely. Female, both X, male, 1X, 1Y. Then what are the possibilities in this? Only one or two. So same, you can simply write this XX. Here X, Y. We need to cross. So like if one boy married to one girl, sorry, boy married to a boy, this is girl, boy here, like what are their expectations, like whether baby girl will born or whether like boy, like that. So, to check the sex here, like chances, simply we can say chances. So, one time, one X with the another X. So, definitely we should cross like this, X, X, this is one possibility, and next with the XY, so one with XX here. So, can you tell the sex here? means what offsprings we get here. So these are the gametes. Okay. So here with the chances, one X should be crossed with the two gametes here, one X should be crossed with the two gametes over here. So can you tell the sex of this chromosome? XX means definitely female, or simply write a girl, baby girl. Then XY means male. Next again XX means again there is a female. Okay, then it is the male. So what can we infer from this? Means Y is responsible here, this Y gamete. This Y gamete is there, right? It will determine, it will give the sex of the offspring, whether it is male, whether it is a female. Thus Y only will represent. If the boy have this gamete, okay, during the fertilization, a baby boy is born. Okay. If he has the Y chromosome, definitely girl, definitely girl. So there is one circumstances in our society also where they simply blame the girl, isn't it right? If two are married, one male individual, suppose let's take male individual is married to female. If all the children, like in four individuals are girls, okay, so what is the circumstance now? It is whom they are blaming? They are blaming the female. It's not correct. Okay, if a boy wants to born, means the male is the responsible one. Why? Because the Y chromosome is present in the male. Okay, so that's why if the Y is there, definitely boy. Okay, then if it is X, during the fertilization, if one X crossed with the another two X, one of them, definitely it is a girl X. So like that. So now onwards, as you're educated one, never blame the girls. Okay, it's not like that, right? If they are married, okay, to any girl, if they got all the baby girls, okay, so what they doing now, inkoka pelli chestaru, isn't it right? They take that boy and they'll marry with some other else. Again that one also they'll get all the females. So it should be not like this. So who is responsible one is the male one. That's it. Okay. Now this is the rough I given to you. Now what is there in your textbook? We'll draw it. The flow chart. Flow chart for, or simply diagrammatic representation. Diagrammatic representation for sex determination in human beings. So for you, the individual number of chromosomes are given. Okay, so write it first. Mother, father. So exactly in your textbook, father is given first, mother is given later. So how they are representing in your textbook is like this: 44 plus 44 means here the autosome XY. Okay, then write it for the mother here: 44 plus XX. This is their own individual chromosomal pattern of writing, both autosome and the allosome. The next what is given is their gametes, possible gametes. Same, everything is same here. Sorry. This is the one, right? Just you need to put 44, that's all. Just you need to put 44. Here 22. Like this. Like this. If you just repeat it, it is your flow chart. Can you do it here? The same, everything is same. I have given you the x, y, right, separately. I have shown you only the allosomes I showed. Now it is the time to write both. So 22 plus x, just write 22, that's all. 22 plus x again. So now do the crossing here. With everyone we need to do, like in female. So now this x with this one, what we get here, 44 plus xx we get. This is completed, and do with the next one. So to every individual, so here 44, what is given? X is given, there x is given. Next, this is completed. Now come to this 44 plus here 44, and we have 1 x here, 1 y over here. Next one, this is completed. Do with 2, we need to do with 2. 44 plus xy, x and y. So this is a female. And for xx means it's again a female, okay, and xy male. Here also xy means male. So 2 male, okay, 2 females. This is how we represent with the flow chart. I hope you understood this, right? X, we need to first write the parents, phenotype or the genotype. Next, we need to give the gametes, and we need to crosses. Whenever x, this should be done with both 2. So x, y, that's a female, 1x, 1y, and 1x, 1y. So this is the how the chances are, whether the female or the male. So that importance here, it can be asked for the 4 mark, or in between we will be having some 2 mark questions or 1 mark question, like how many autosomes are there, how many allosomes are there, who will determine the sex, baby, male, okay, like that. Okay, be prepared for every question from this topic. Here ends our the sex determination in human beings, and you have one important note in your books given in the boxes, that sex determination in Drosophila. Here sex determination is Drosophila was discovered by the Sutton and T.H. Morgan. So what they said is there will be some sex link chromosomes. So they are responsible for determining the sex. This was the important note which is given in your textbook. It can be asked for the 1 mark or the 2 mark. In Drosophila, Drosophila means a fruit fly. Okay. So this was done by Sutton and Bovary. They consist of the linked chromosome. They are responsible for determining the male one or the female one, like XXY, like XYY, like that. Okay. This is all completed in this topic, ma. The next one will be your the evolution.